Hello there, welcome to yet another video. We are in a skill we refer to as Geometry Plus, which shall have around 9 videos. So I urge you to continue following Prepsaret YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe and we move on together up to the last video. In this first video of geometry, we're going to look at various shapes whereby you're maybe given a shape, and the shape that you're given, maybe you're given some length, and you're required to look for the area or even the perimeter. So we look at a few shapes, and at times you're given the area or you're given the perimeter, then you're required to look for the length of that given shape. So let us do that example. Read with me this example. A rectangle has an area of 54 square inches and has a length of 6 inches. What is the width? We are looking for the width in inches of the rectangle. We have been given the area. So we have the area, which is 54 inches. And one of the sides, which is length, we can call it L, is given as 6 inches. Let us see how we solve for the width. So in solving this, we'll first of all sketch that rectangle. We sketch it. Can have a small sketch of that rectangle, and we know these are 90 degrees all the four corners. Let us call this one the length. We can call it L, and of course this one width, that is the W. We are given as the area is given, A is given as 54 inches and the length is 6. So we can have it as length is 6 inches, width is unknown, we let it be W. So generally, how do we look for the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is given by length, which can be L, times width. We can call it W. In other words, the area that we already have, which is 54 square inches, can be found by length, which is 6 times W. So we have 6W is equals to 54. We divide by 6 on both sides, 6 on both sides, by 6, 1 by 6, 1. So we remain with W as 54 divided by 6, which is a number, if you use your calculator, it is going to be 9.333, and 3 is recurring. You can say 9 and 1 over 3, but remember 3 is recurring. The width has been found to be 9.3333 inches, but we are supposed to give our answer in inches. So what we do, we check on the numbers from the decimal point, 0.3, 0.33333, recurring like that. This one is not even half an inch. So we do away with the part, we truncate and remain with 9 inches as our answer. The last part has been about rounding off to the nearest inches. Rounding off to the nearest inches. What happened if this was to be a number 5 or greater than 5, that is half an inch, we could have rounded off to the nearest, we could have added 1 to 9. But now because it is less than 5, in other words, less than an inch, we just do away with it. Thank you for watching our video. See you in the next geometry video.